Do you like to learn with fun? Oh yeah, you have come to the right place. Hey guys, my name is Clement and I'm a teacher and a professional YouTuber as well. In this channel, I try to create educational videos with fun. That means educational comedy. Education is important, but sometimes it becomes really boring. But if you mix it up with a little bit of comedy, it becomes way easier. So we need to learn and have fun at the same time. Subscribe to the channel for the best educational videos. Otherwise, I will haunt you in your dreams. Till then, adios.